Hi, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the Shed Quarters. Now, if you have automotive dismantling and hoarding disorder like I do, then at some point you're going to want to disassemble a vehicle with precision. Now, to do that, you will need a spot weld drill. So, let me just duck off to Hammer Barn and get an 8mm drill bit. Alrighty, so I've got this Sutton 8mm drill bit. Sutton is a really good brand, made in Australia, and that's why I like it. So this is about $8 for this drill bit. Now you can buy a drill bit from Sutton that is specially ground for chopping out spot welds. It was, however, $35 from the local tool distributor. So I've got this one now. Now this is a beautiful drill bit. They're very sharp and they do a very good job of drilling nice round holes. So instead of grinding this one up, I'm going to take this drill bit set. Now it was a cheap drill bit set because that's all I could afford at the time. I'm going to take the 8mm out of there, put this nice Sutton tool in there and put that back by the drill press. Now this drill does a good job of making holes. So it doesn't need to be precise for what we're doing. So I'm just going to take this, grind the tip to the right shape, and then this will be the new spot weld drill. And I've got a beautiful 8mm bit to replace it with. So next step, we need this thing. So normally when you're sharpening a drill bit, you have it at about 18 degrees, I think it is, and come in from the side and go up, and it'll put the curve down on there, and you flip it over, do the same thing, and you just got to try and match both sides. There's a little bit of an art to sharpening drill bits, and not everybody can do it. However, to do a spot weld bit, we want to basically destroy the tip. Well, that's what she said. And instead of going here, we're going to reverse the angle and use the outside corner to actually chew into the face, so it leaves us with a point in the tip and each side sticks out. So you can see a little 3-point design on it now. Now you want the outside tips to be the same height and the centre just a tiny bit higher so that it can go into the spot, the centre punch marks that you put in. Let's take this out to a vehicle and test it. So here we've got a chassis rail with some very obvious spot welds. So centre punch, roughly in the centre of it, and the tip that you've ground into the middle of that should sit in the centre punch. It basically cuts a flat hole straight down through the top layer and into the second. So yeah, do that another 300 times and you can pull the panel apart. Well, that worked pretty well. So a few simple things about it is the angle of the sides needs to be angled back slightly like a normal drill bit would be, and the flat top is actually dished down slightly towards the center, just leaving the peak in the middle to go into the center punch mark. But yeah, if you learn how to grind them properly, it will just do thousands of spot welds for you, and it won't really cost anything. Now I've got this one, and I've got another one that's made out of a 10mm drill bit that I made 20 years ago when I was an apprentice, and I still have it and use it today. Well, I didn't use it today, I made a new one today. Anyway, that's it for this quick video. As always, customize everything.